Step on the pedal on the bottom here. If you step on this, it'll lock the shaft so you can tighten this part up nice and tight. If you let go of the pedal, the whole thing spins. So this pedal on the floor makes it so you can tighten this up good. All right, next thing we want to do, we actually have to look at the side of the tire and see what size this is. And we're going to learn how to read tire sizes, but let's look at the numbers on the side of the tire. Sometimes they're hard to see. So we'll get up real close and we'll see if we can see them. All right, so you can see there's a 195, and that's actually how wide the tire is in millimeters. That would be this part, how wide this is, 195 millimeters. The higher that number, the wider your tire. This number here, which is after the slash, that's a slash, then it's a 65. That's how tall this tire is from here to here in relation to how wide the tire is. It's in a percentage. So this height here is 65% of how wide the tire is. That's what that number means. The lower that number, the lower profile tires you have. The sidewall will be like really low. We'll talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages of that. The next indicator on the side is the R. That means it's a radial tire. And the last thing it says is 15. That's actually the size of the rim. So the rim is this metal part on this tire. Rim is the metal part the tire sits on, and it would be 15 inches from here to this side, the diameter. All right, so the machine wants to know this information in order to balance the tire. So what it needs to be told is three things. The first is this little arm here, and you can see it in the picture with the green head on. It has to be, what is the distance the tire is away from the machine? And the way you figure that out is you take this little arm and you slide it out and you touch the edge of the tire rim right here. As you can see, you'll see the number here is like 176. Okay, so when I go slide it in and then slide it out and touch the side, let's try that again. Okay, what you might need to do up on the machine is dial in 176. Sometimes it'll do it automatically for you. Okay, so I'm turning this knob until we reach 176. All right, right there. The next dimension that it wants to know is how wide the rim is. As you can see in this picture, it wants to know how wide the metal part of the rim is. And the way you measure that is you use this tool, which is on the side of the machine, this big C-clamp looking thing. We're gonna actually open this up. So as you can see here,